Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change profile picture in OneDrive on computer. So how to change profile picture in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this profile menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap My Profile menu. Here you will enter the profile menu. Here there are many choices. Tap the Your Info menu. Here there are several choices that you can change. Tap Add a Photo menu. Here it will appear like this. Then tap Add a Photo. Here you will enter your folder. Select the image that will be used as a profile. Here it has been selected. And tap Save. Here you can see the profile has changed. So that's it, tutorial how to change profile picture in OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.